What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She on the road, shorty, tripping, that's Christian Dior. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her own, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her own, shorty ain't tripping, she got her own. Shorty, she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with Megalook hair, y'all. And first things first, I just want to talk about their packaging, y'all. Their packaging. The way they upgraded their packaging is fire, y'all. This box. Now, I usually never, ever keep my hair boxes. But this box, I'm keeping. Like, I don't know. That box is really fire. The second thing I want to talk about is the fact that this wig already come with the air parts cut out, y'all. It already come with the air parts cut out. I didn't have to do no cutting when it comes to the air part, y'all. And that part, I feel like that's my least favorite part when it comes to cutting the ears out, y'all. I didn't have to cut the ears out at all. And y'all, look how deep this lace is. This is all still lace, y'all. All still lace. Like, my parting space damn near reached the half of my head. Like, this wig is fire. It's 26 inches, 13 by 6, and it's really giving 13 by 6. You guys know you get wigs from companies sometimes and the part would stop literally right here. Baby, this part is long. I could keep going if I really wanted to. But y'all, this hair is fire. This hair is real full and is real silky, y'all. This is a pre-everything wig. You literally don't have to do anything with this wig. You guys saw I took the wig straight out the packaging and put it right on my head. All I had to do for real was I didn't even really have to straighten the hair, honestly, but you guys know I'm extra, so I went ahead and straightened the hair. I flattened the top, put a little bit of my concealer on the lace, and you're set. Like, you honestly don't even have to do no baby hairs or nothing. You could leave this as a natural hairline. Once again, I'm just extra, so I added in the baby hair, and I don't know, I'm really getting into big baby hairs. I don't know why, but I love it. This wig is honestly a 10 out of 10. You get the large parting space. You get the ears already cut out, which means you could do more designs by the ear, y'all. You don't have to worry about nothing. You get wig ear tapes. Like I said, you get the large lace, which also means you could do any type of style you want. I was going to do a deep side part, but I'm just a middle bust down girly, y'all. I love a middle part bust down. It just hits different every time. You will also receive a natural hairline, and it is... When I say this hair is pre-everything, y'all, I didn't do no plucking. And this is exactly how I will pluck my wig. Megalook is doing its thing when it comes to these wigs. Also, the wig cap is a fitted wig cap. I was honestly a little scared. I thought the wig was going to be big. But y'all, this wig fits perfect. It comes with an adjustable band inside. So I just adjusted it a little bit. But other than that, y'all, this wig is perfect. Everything about this hair is a 10 out of 10. This is my new everyday wig I'm going to throw on literally every day, because this hair is just fire. And like I said, you could do multiple styles with this wig. So I can't wait. If you guys are interested on how I got this look, continue watching. If you guys are interested in this wig, the same exact link is going to be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.